In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of photo editing with a focus on the latest AI technology. Whether you're a casual user or a photography enthusiast, this tool is designed to elevate your creativity. Let's get started. The best AI photo background change application for Android is designed to enhance your photography experience by allowing users to easily swap or modify the background of their images. Utilizing advanced artificial intelligence algorithms, this app can accurately detect the main subject in a photo and seamlessly separate it from the background. Users can choose from a variety of backgrounds, including scenic landscapes, colorful patterns, or even custom images, to create visually stunning compositions. The app often features user-friendly tools for fine-tuning details, such as adjusting brightness, contrast, and saturation, to ensure that the subject and background blend harmoniously. Moreover, many of these applications offer additional features like filters, stickers, and text overlays, enabling users to add a personal touch to their photos. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this overview of the AI photo background change application insightful. See you in the next video.